講佢另一本咧，可能比較 hit 嘅書咧，咁就叫做《State of Exception》啦。中文名咧，其實中文譯本都呢度都有得賣嘅，叫《例外狀態》。咁大家可以兩位都做嘅。
同埋有啲 copy
係啊，如果唔夠嘅話咧，大家兩個人 share 一份咯，或者印咗10份嘅。咁其實有鑑，因為我上次都搞嗰個真係純討論會咁樣啦，但係又發現純討論會大家可能未必有呢個文本喺手咧，咁變咗亦都即係希望藉住一個好似 reading group 咁樣嘅方式，大家去睇個文本，咁大家有咩問題可以即係拎出嚟去討論下咯，可以咁樣。咁首先講翻啦，阿金本佢呢本書係點樣嚟嘅咧？咁佢呢個 State of Exception 個名咧就係例外狀態啦。咁主要咧係圍繞住美國21世紀初針對9/11恐怖襲擊而實行嘅一連串嘅所謂反恐戰啊、反恐法啊一啲嘅措施而展開個論述嘅。咁其中一樣講嘅問題咧就係、美國有一個叫關塔那摩嘅監獄啦。咁其實佢裏面關押住好多咧係其他國家，譬如阿富汗啊、伊拉克啊，唔同地方，總之唔係美國人嚟嘅，其他國家嘅一啲嘅戰犯。或者佢懷疑係阿蓋達成員嘅人，咁嗰啲人咧就關押咗喺嗰度啦。咁係美國政府咧，自從呢個部署9/11反恐條例之後咧，佢唔單止將呢啲所謂嘅反恐措施咧係應用喺美國本土啦，佢仲將呢啲措施咧係 extend 到對付呢啲嘅所謂嘅戰犯。咁佢係唔需要一個特定嘅。總之好簡單，就係話你係懷疑你係恐怖分子，跟住就捉咗你去呢個拘留營嗰度。佢唔需要正常嘅，應該咁講，唔需要正常嘅法律途徑，因為正常法律途徑係假設你係一個主權之下嘅一個公民，佢冇呢一個嘅概念，就將呢一啲嘅佢懷疑係恐怖分子嘅人咧，就捉咗去呢一個拘留營嗰度，一個 detention camp。咁阿金本呢本書咧，其實係呼應翻咧一個納粹時代嘅一個德國法學家啦，叫做 Carl Schmitt 啦，卡爾斯米特啦。佢寫一本書叫《政治神學》啦，係講乜嘢叫主權嘅問題嘅。咁喺德國，如果大家有讀歷史咧，20世紀第一次大戰之後咧，德國咧係成立咗一個叫威瑪共和嘅。咁因為嗰陣時德國國內係非常之立立亂嘅，咁有共產黨同埋所謂嘅納粹嘅一啲嘅活動，咁所以咧 Carl Schmitt 咧就呢本書咧就希望界定一個國家嘅主權咧，佢以一個好簡單嘅 statement 就係所謂 sovereignty，the sovereign decide the state of exception， 即係話國家咧係完全一個主權咧，佢可以去決斷乜嘢為之例外狀態呢一樣嘢。咁基本上嗰陣時係對付一啲譬如納粹或者係共產黨嘅一啲譬如街頭運動啊，或者一啲類似準軍事組織嘅一啲嘅類似coup啊，即係一啲嘅兵變啊之類咁樣嘅活動。因為嗰陣時個德國嗰個共和國咧個基礎係非常之弱，咁佢變咗咧 Carl Schmitt 咧希望咧藉住呢一個理論咧賦予咧呢個威瑪共和嘅總統一個憲法裏邊冇寫明到嘅一個權力去鎮壓一啲嘅叛亂或者呢啲所謂嘅政變軍事政變等等。咁但係咧佢後來咧就喺納粹時代咧，佢亦都成為咗一個好 prominent figure 嘅，因為佢認為呢個納粹嘅政權咧，其實亦都係代表住德國呢個國家去行使呢個主權， 對佢嘅公民去行使呢一個嘅主權。咁而帕金本呢本書咧就住美國即係911反恐戰翻去 Carl Smith 嘅political theology 裏邊，希望去回應翻呢一個問題。咁今晚咧其實就我哋會做兩樣嘢嘅。我哋一方面咧會希望去有啲時間咧，我哋會讀 Carl Smith 呢一本書第一個 chapter。咁我亦都印咗一啲嘅copy 喺大家手上面啦。咁如果大家有人係冇嘅話咧，可以同隔離嗰個位 share 嘅，係啦。咁裏邊咧亦都有去解釋翻究竟對 Carl Smith 嚟講，所謂嘅 sovereignty 即係主權咧，其實究竟係一個咩嘅概念咧？因為一向嚟講，佢講嗰個例外狀態喺一個所謂法學嘅範圍裏邊咧，都係一個好灰色嘅地帶，亦都未曾喺所謂對憲法嘅討論裏邊咧係認真去討論過呢一個問題嘅。咁但係主要咧，我哋係會睇翻 State of Exception， 即係如果大家有買嘅話咧，咁就可以打開英文嘅 State of Exception 嘅第一個 chapter， 咁其實都幾長嘅第一個 chapter， 咁都有成差唔多30頁嘅。咁希望今晚可以盡量大家可以去，即係我哋去讀呢兩個 text， 咁然之後會有個討論喺裏邊。咁不如就睇翻State of Exception 嗰度開始先啦，我哋好嗎？咁開始嘅時候都要揾個人自動分。我哋見到去呢一個The State of Exception as a Paradigm of Government。或者我開始先啦，或者好嘛？好。有啲見The essential contiguity between the state of exception and sovereignty was established by Carl Smith in his book Politische Theologie. Although his famous definition of the sovereign as he who decides on the state of exception has been widely commented on and discussed, there is still no theory of the state of exception in public law. And jurists and theorists of public law seem to regard the problem more as a ratio facti than as a genuine juridical problem. Not only is such a theory deemed illegitimate by those authors who, following the ancient maxim according to which necessitas legem non habet, necessary has no law, affirm that the state of necessary on which the exception is founded cannot have a juridical form, but it is difficult even to arrive at a definition of the term given its position at the limit between politics and law. Indeed, according to a widely held opinion, the state of exception constitutes a point of imbalance between public law and political fact that is situated, like civil war, insurrection, and resistance, in an ambiguous, uncertain boundary fringe at the intersection of the legal and the political. The question of boundaries becomes all the more urgent if exceptional measures are the result of periods of political crisis and as such must be understood on political and not juridical constitutional grounds, then they find themselves in the paradoxical position of being juridical measures that cannot be understood in legal terms. And the state of exception appears as a legal form of what cannot have legal form. On the other hand, if the law employs the exception, that is, the suspension of law itself as its original means of referring to and encompassing life, then a theory of the state of exception is the preliminary condition for any definition of the relation that binds and at the same time abandons the living being to law。
可唔可以停
係
即係你
OK
總結一下先。
呢度開頭第一卷裏邊主要係講翻喺 political theology 裏邊去 raise 呢個問題。State of exception 佢喺法律裏邊，即係佢喺即係法學裏邊所處嗰個嘅地位啦。咁因為呢個 state of exception 佢本身一路都係一個你可以話一個好晦暗不明嘅一個範圍裏邊。佢裏邊都有講啦 ，ambiguous、uncertain、borderline，佢係喺一個憲法嘅一個邊緣嘅位置裏邊。其實通常好多時，譬如憲法裏邊，佢唔會去特登去講，譬如喺一啲緊急狀態之下點樣，佢只係 assume 會有咁樣嘅可能性。呢個你可以 take it as 一個potential 嘅，即係一種潛在有咁樣嘅可能出現嘅時候，咁會係點樣嘅一個問題？但係一般憲法嘅條文裏邊咧，係好少會去針對呢個問題。如果我哋即係譬如講翻近啲，可能未必完全可以即係 refer 得好 accurate， 但係譬如基本法裏邊最近都有可能拗緊呢個所謂公安法、公安條例呢一個問題，或者可能係因為如果譬如發生一啲可能係一啲政府 define as 一啲影響到公共 social security 嘅問題，譬如可能有人去譬如可能之前3月6號大家都知道啦，咁即係80後咁樣去堵塞住一段馬路嘅位置咁樣，跟住後來啲警察咧就去啦，就用咗一個所謂嘅佢哋叫做一個適當嘅武力。咁究竟呢個情況我哋因為呢個情況喺憲法裏邊係唔會好清晰咁樣寫係點樣先為之一個 state of exception， 所以同埋一向個傳統裏邊佢都唔會話去討論得好細緻咁樣咯。但係現實情況佢之後邊嗰段都有講話 public law 同埋呢個 political facts 之間，即係佢現實情況係會有呢一個咁嘅潛在可能，所以我哋先至要去討論呢個問題，或者大家就住